About to test this bitch out. Testing 1, 2. Dick. Oh god. Oh god, fuck.
What's up, gamers? How you guys been? Now, me and myself, I have very limited vocabulary because I don't know, I just suck with languages. However, I don't suck with electronics. So I decided today that whenever I swear, a taser's gonna shot me and it's gonna hurt a lot.
It's a pretty simple circuit. You got your battery, relay, DC booster, some of the same things that I used in my previous video. You also have the Arduino with the breadboard. The button's actually useless. I'm using it for another project, but all this together will make the taser.
I then coded the Arduino to activate the relay when it was going to receive information from the other Python program that I will be programming in not too long. Basically, this Python program would be detecting my voice, and afterwards, it's going to detect keywords using the Google. I think it was like the Google something API, so that it can detect what words I'm saying. It's not going to detect it 100%. Like sometimes I was saying fuck, and it was giving me the word FUC instead. However, it is pretty accurate, as you saw from the initial test at the beginning. I will now be recording myself talking about the Vaporeon copy pasta to my taser. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey guys, did you know that in terms of male, human, and female Pokemon breeding, Vaporeon is the most compatible Pokemon for humans? Not only are they in the field egg group, which is mostly comprised of mammals, Vaporeon are an average of 3 feet and 3 inch tall and 63.9 pounds. This means they're large enough to be able to handle human dicks, and with their impressive base stats for HP and access to acid armor, you can be rough with one. Due to their mostly water-based biology, there's no doubt in my mind that an aroused Vaporeon would be incredibly wet. So wet that you can easily have sex with one for hours without getting sore. They can also learn the moves Attract, Baby Doll, Eyes, Capativate, Charm, and Tail Whip, along with not having fur to hide nipples. So it'd be incredibly easy for one to get you in the mood. Okay. With their abilities, water absorb and hydration, they can easily recover from fatigue with enough water. No other Pokemon comes close to this level of compatibility. Also, fun fact, if you pull out enough, you can make your Vaporeon turn white. Vaporeon is literally built for human dick. Ungodly defense stat plus high HP pool plus acid armor means it can take cock all day, all shapes and sizes, and still come for more.
I can't believe I really just read fucking Pokemon fan fiction. What do I do with my life?